All right, this is Unit 9, Part 5. Today, please start on your table of contents. Go down to pages 14 and 15 and add whatever today's date is into your table of contents. As you finish writing that, go ahead and turn to pages 14 and 15. Starting on page 15, you'll see there's this question sheet. And I need you to add something to your instructions on this question sheet. So go down to question number 8 and please add these instructions to question number 8, that you should use color and add both word and definition for each of the phases of the water cycle. All right, now number 8 is actually giving you instructions for what to do on page 14. So that will be part of that. If you need any additional explanation when you get to that point, please feel free to come up and ask me and I can give you more information. So for this page, you're going to be using an infographic. And if you prefer to use a hard copy of the infographic, I have a stack of them sitting on my front table. Come help yourself to one. Just please return it when you're done. If you prefer to use it on the screen, I have a couple of screenshots coming up that zoom in a little closer, and you can use it that way as well. If you're going to get a hard copy, pause the video now and go grab a hard copy. All right, at this point, you should be entirely done with pages 14 and 15. Now we're going to add the water cycle to our big ideas. And so you're going to need your big ideas sheet. Here is a review of those instructions. You already know them, but there they are if you need to double check them. And we're going to use these 4 boxes today to add the 4 parts of the water cycle. Okay, go back to your score sheet, please, and add assignments number 7 and 8 to your score sheet. At this point, those should be entirely done. And as you finish writing this on your score sheet, please bring your packet and your big ideas sheet up to your teacher to get the stamp. All right. On your table of contents, please go ahead to page number 12 and mark today's date. And as you finish marking that, we're going over to your score sheet next. So on your score sheet, please add assignment number 9. And as you finish adding that, you can turn to page 12. The blank left side. And when you get to page 12, please make sure your name is up in the top corner. Please make sure you have the page number down on the bottom. And please put this title, TED Ed Film Festival. Then we're going to do a little formatting on this page to use for this assignment. So if you'd start, please, by dividing your page into as equal a thirds as you can. Just carefully try to do that so that they're equal sized or pretty close to equal side. Then go ahead and number these from 1 to 3, so each box is numbered. And this is the format that we're going to then fill in. You're going to want to have a place for a title, a main idea, and notice I left a little more room for main idea because you're going to need a little more space for that. And then 4 bullet points for 4 details. And you're going to do this in each of the 3 boxes. Here's the procedure you're going to follow for the TED Ed Film Festival. On my website, there are a whole bunch of TED Ed video links listed, and they all have to do with the atmosphere. So you're going to scroll down below all of the instructional videos that we've been using, and there's a section that says TED Ed Film Fest. And when you get there, you can look over the links and choose a title that sounds intriguing to you, and then write that title next to the word title in box number 1. Then I'd like you to watch the video through one time without writing anything down. Allow yourself just to watch it and absorb it. And then watch it a second time, and during the second time, write down the main idea and add 4 supporting details that support that main idea. As you can see from the setup on your sheet, you're going to do this 3 times. All right, so you can choose 3 different videos out of the ones listed. That is the end of part 5. So go ahead on your TED Ed Film Festival, and whenever you're done, you can come get a stamp for that.